before we proceed to our video, please hit the subscribe button for more updates. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw watercolor painting of strawberry. Yeah, we're going to use watercolor brushes for making the cool artwork of strawberry watercolor illustration. Lot of people eat this fruit. It only grows in winter season, in the cold places, in minus temperature, in winters only, like on mountains where temperature is very low. Everybody loves this one, this fruit, and often you can see over in the restaurant you can find this commonly over there. You can also find it over grocery store, in farms also. Yeah, my friend, it is strawberry. Yeah, so many people love it. So many people love strawberry ice cream. So many people love strawberry shake. So many people love this fruit. Yeah, today we chose to paint this fruit with watercolors. Yeah, we are using watercolors to paint this fruit, and step by step I will show you how you can paint on your watercolor sheet, how you can paint this fruit, how you can paint strawberry by using watercolors. And the material which I'm using, that is watercolor brush and camel watercolors. You can often find this in local art stores. You can find these tools in near art stores. If you're not having this material in your local stores, you can choose Amazon to buy anything, whatever you like. Any watercolor sheet you can buy, any favorite color brand you can buy, like Brustro, like Camel. There are so many brands available online. Yeah, so let's begin our drawing. Let's begin our painting, watercolor painting, and you will know step by step how you can draw same as this one. It is very simple. Just observe the object which you have chosen to paint, which you have chosen to draw. Yeah, first of all we need to prepare our watercolor diary and our watercolors and palette. And for drawing strawberry, start creating the boundary, start creating the outlines, and for those you need red color, as it is very common in the strawberry, the red color and the green one. As we all know, this is the what we all know basic things about. So step by step, very slowly, start doing from outlines. Start from the outlines, and by looking at the image which you have chosen to paint, the reference image you need for drawing this one. You can also draw by your visions, but it would be better for a beginner for using a reference image. You can open reference image from your laptop, or you can print from the printer, or you can open reference image on your iPad. So that's important to have a reference image so you can paint as your reference picture. So it is important. So yeah, now you need to paint the strawberry dots, and always keep your color ready. You need to paint the dots slowly. So it is important to stay focused while painting, and always keep observing the image, the color tones, the reflection, shadows, the darkness and the brightness, all the stuff, and the contrast of the picture is really important. Once we done with this dots between the strawberries, we will fill up the strawberry with the red color, and with carefully, the color should not be the lighter nor too much dark. We will keep it at the midpoint. Gradually we will paint it completely. By the red color we will fill it up to the top, and make sure keep checking the reference image. The color which is given, it should be the same on your object. There can be minor up and downs could happen during your work, but that's okay completely. And keep practicing your watercolor painting, and don't hesitate to push yourself for the new practice every day, for new drawings, for new paintings. Keep practicing, and it's all up to the practice. More you practice, more you will be better in the painting, in the drawing. It's all about the practice, the time which you spend every day by focusing on different paintings. Your skill will be more sharper. Make sure whatever you are painting, even if it's strawberry or any other kind of fruit or vegetable, whatever you are painting, you have to be careful about the contrast of the color. You can keep it lighter also, you can make it darker also. If you want some light tone in your colors, you can mix bit white color. You can mix white color tube to decrease the darkness of your object. Rest depends on you, how you want it to look like. Be careful about the reflection, where the light is coming from, with the dark part lies on the object. So make sure to observe it first, so to carry the right color tone. So prepare your palette first, the color which you need. Like for making strawberry, you need red, you need some green, some white also, and brushes too, watercolor brushes, and a watercolor sheet to prepare your painting. As you can see my working place in the picture, I'm keeping the process slow because you can understand it properly. This is why I'm keeping the whole process very slow, just to make you guys understand the whole thing, so you can do it in better way. So this is my table where I do my artworks, my paintings, my drawings, my portraits, all the stuff I do here. So always keep yourself dedicated to the work which you love, the paintings which you love doing, and choose your favorite thing which you like to paint always, which inspires you most. So sometimes you might feel like I'm out of ideas, I'm running out of my ideas. Sometimes you feel like what to paint, what I should paint. So in that case, you can check out Google stock images. You can search different types of images on Google. You can select any one of them, so which you like to paint, which you like to draw. Google stock images will help you to give you ideas about a lot of things. It will inspire you to paint more and more stuff. So it will never let you run out of any ideas. So keep in mind, if you not finding anything to paint, just check out the Google stock images always. You will always find something over there to draw, to paint, and it will always give you some ideas. And if you want to get inspired, so spend time more in the nature, spend time with the plants, with the flowers, with the trees, you will get more ideas over there in the nature. Yeah, so most of the people get the ideas from the nature. This is where all the great people get their ideas from. As you know, the discovery of the gravity is also a part of a nature friendly person who had been really friendly to the nature. So this is how you can discover new ideas, by spending time in the nature, just like they figured out the gravity by spending time in the nature. So you can also get more ideas in the nature, because nature transfers great energies to your mind. We get energies in the nature from plants, from trees, from flowers, from different things. We get great energy. Yeah, it transfers electricity into our mind, and which flows us with lot of ideas. Yeah, you should spend time with the nature. This is what I do, which gives me the new ideas always, so which is really inspiring. So you also should try this trick, so it will definitely work out with you. And now we are very close to fill up our strawberry with the green color and the red color. Keep this process slow. If you are beginner, if you are new to the painting, but if you are continuously painting the stuff, you can do it very quickly. I just made the process slow, as I told you before, to make you understand in better way, so everyone might understand how can you paint strawberry with the watercolors. I actually used the brush pen, water brush pen. It is very comfortable, and it has water in it. As you know, you don't need to dip your pen into the water. It has already a water filler space in it. So I would suggest you to use this water brush pen whenever you do any kind of watercolor painting, because it can make your process very easily. You can do this, you don't need to dip into the palette always. So it has the water, you will never run out of the water, you will never have any dry experience with your painting. It will keep your brush stroke very wet always. So as you can see, just press the pen little bit, it will make your brush tip wet again. So I have 3 brush pens for shading 3 different colors, so it gets the job done always. So this is what I always use, brush pens for paintings. Actually these pens are meant for writing calligraphy, as you know, but I used it for the different purpose. I used it for the painting. I'm using currently on this strawberry right now. So I found it very comfortable than the brush. It is very comfortable than other brush, because it is a best tool I ever found on the Amazon. You can also order it from there. This is where I have ordered from. So it is doing really nice job, you can see over the screen. So now we are filling up the strawberry with the red color. After filling up the red color, we'll give some white color touch to the dots in the bottom, which will make it look much better, which will give it more details. More you practice, more you spend time with your art, more it will look better, more details it will reflect on your sheet. So more you spend time, more it will refine always. And there is no end to this thing, there is no end. Art is never finished. Yeah, it is never finished. It is just abandoned always. It is never finished, it is just abandoned. This is what I do, I just abandon when I feel like it's enough. Yeah, so keep painting until you are not satisfied by your details, by your object. Keep putting the more details. Only stop it when you are satisfied enough. So you can abandon it anytime you like. So if you will keep it very slow, you will have better details, clear image of your painting. So I would suggest you to keep the process always slow. Whatever you paint, whatever you draw, whatever you do with your artwork, keep the process always slow for the fine details, for the best details, the best version of your painting. So keep filling the strawberry, the empty side, filling the colors, coloring your painting give you a unique experience, a unique kind of satisfaction, a unique kind of dopamine boost. It satisfies you a lot. It feels you make you calm when you fill up the colors, when you paint things. It makes you really calm, makes your mind relax. It is best technique to relieve yourself from depression or any kind of stress. Art is best healer. Art is best doctor for any person to get recover. It is best doctor. It is best doctor in the world. Yeah, just connect yourself with art more and put your all the visions and dreams into the painting. Reflect your dreams in the paintings. Reflect your visions, your dreams, all in the paintings. Whatever you see visions, you have power to turn into the painting, to turn into the reality. So you can express your mind to the art. Art is way of expressing your mind. Yeah, and keep one thing in mind, like I told you before, art is never finished, it is abandoned always. Now we are very close to fill up the colors of our strawberry. Now we are filling the dots with a white color. It is giving it a really good reflection. It is giving it fine details, making it look much better. Now it looks much better than before. Thank you my fans for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with others also, so they may know about art and watercolor painting, oil painting, acrylic painting, charcoal drawings. So stay tuned for more updates with us. Thank you very much my friends.